Hello, hello, hello everyone. Can everybody hear me? Hello, hello, hello everyone. Okay, just a second. Okay, great, great, great. It has started, Srinath. It has started. Okay, just let me do one setting and I'll be with you guys. Yes. Okay. Hello, hello everyone. Hello. Hello Manvita. Hello Srinath. How are you guys doing? Why this font is so small? Just a second, I can't read your comments. Yep. Yes, now I can. Okay, great. Okay, hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am here. Your Aditi ma'am is here. Okay, lots of people are waiting for the live. Hi Srinath. Hi Manvita. How are you all doing? Okay, so today live is going to be very special. The live is of the chapter describing motion around us. And we are going to look at lots of questions, lots of MCQs, some very cool numericals of this chapter. Now, ma'am, why this chapter at this particular time is a question, right? But the question is, beta, this chapter came into your PT test, right? Now it will again come into your PT2, then it will again come into your half yearly. So you understand how important this chapter is, right? So we are going to quickly revise this again. We will do the questions and then we will do some numericals as well. Great, great, Manvita. I am great. How are you all doing? Okay. How are you all? You are all ready? My decibel is low. Is it? Let me know, everyone. Is it low? Is my voice not clear? Yes. Hi, Krishna. Hello. Where is your Radha Rani? Okay, great. Let us start this chapter with the very first MCQs. So the motto of this whole lecture is, how we'll go about this is, you all have to give the answers. Okay, I'll ask you MCQs. You'll all have to give the answers, and whoever gives the answers first, I'll write their name down in front of the MCQ, that the question you have answered, and then whoever gives the correct answer will get the final mark. Okay, so we'll have a healthy competition in this. Great. Now, let's start with the very first question. The question on your screen, everybody, and it's here. Okay. First question. The odometer of your car measures better. Okay, great. The odometer of a car measures what? It measures displacement of the car, distance covered by the car, average velocity, or instantaneous speed. Hello Krishna. I am great. How are you, Krishna? Let me know the answer to this question. Which is the correct option? Option number B. Option number D. Manvita is saying D. Okay, Manvita is saying D, and Krishna is saying B. Okay. The odometer of a car measures what? Okay, Ishu is saying B. Oh, we have lots of people. Did you directly come into the live, all of you together? Okay, security for home said option B. Ishu said option B. Manvita said option B. Yes, Krishna, you answered first. Of course, I saw your answer. But yes, you answered first, hence your name. Okay, great. So we are giving the final answer as B as well. Okay, Manvita is also saying B now. Okay, Manvita, I'll put you here. Don't worry. B. Great. Let's see the answer. Everybody ready for the answer? The answer is actually, beta, it's B, distance covered by the car. Great. Everybody, very good. So the distance, we ask actually that the odometer, how speed we are going to actually, right? But okay, Srinath, no worries. Good, great. So the odometer, what it does, beta, it keeps adding up the total path length traveled Okay, and that's distance. Now it doesn't care about direction, so it can never measure displacement. That's the one thing you have to remember. Never say that it measures displacement or velocity. Okay, always it is measuring what? It is measuring distance. Done? Odometer is measuring distance. Okay, great. Any doubt? Let's go to the next question on your screens, everybody. And here, the displacement of a moving object can be, it can be only positive, only zero, zero positive or negative, always equal to distance. What's the correct answer? Let me know fast. The displacement can be what? Also tell me if it's a scalar quantity or a vector quantity. You all know that. We all have given our PT tests as of this moment. So you all should know this answer, right? Okay, Manvita is saying C. Great. Manvi. Can I write your name as Manvi only? It's a little shorter. Okay. Ishu is saying also C, guys, and C is also saying C. And what else? Security for homes. How will I write this? Okay, all of you are saying home, and I asked you one more question. Is it a scalar quantity or a vector quantity? Scalar quantity. Very good, very good. Oh, wait, why I'm saying very good? Scalar quantity. It's my, oh, great, great, Manvi. I call you Manvi. Scalar quantity or a vector quantity? Displacement, beta. It is displacement. Does it has direction or does it not have direction? Okay, okay, got your answer. C. C is the correct answer, everybody. Very good. Clapping. But Srinath is also saying C. Okay, but what did I ask? I just forgot. Yeah. Is it a scalar quantity or a vector quantity? Vectory quantity. Okay. Security of a home is saying vectory quantity. Okay. Everybody. Good. So, C is the correct answer. It can be 0, positive or negative, and hence it can be said, it can be directed from here that it's a vector quantity. Displacement always have direction associated with it, right? The thing that does not have direction is what? It's distance, and displacement is a vector quantity. See, it is an important thing. That's why I asked you. Does not have what? Vector. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, let's move to the next question on your screens, everybody, and it is the slope of distance time graph gives the value of what? Acceleration, speed, displacement, momentum. And let's just do one thing. Whenever you are giving any answer, you have to write down. If your answer is A, write down with it if the A is scalar or vector. Whatever your answer is, write it down with the scalar or vector tag. Like if your answer is speed, so write down, is it scalar or vector? Is it scalar or vector along with your answer? I need that. That's very important thing. A, okay. The slope of distance time graph gives what? Acceleration. Okay, Sensi is saying speed, Srinath is saying vector, Manvita is saying A, Ishu is saying A, speed. Only Sensi is saying speed. Everybody else is saying A. Everybody else is saying A. Come on, guys. Slope of distance time graph. Again, go back to the chapter. Go back to the chapter again. It is a distance time graph. B. Yes, exactly. Manvita is saying B. Now Manvita has changed the answer. Yes, Manvi. Okay. So let's see the final answer. I think you know by my reaction that it is actually B, that is speed, bit of distance time graph. Just give me a second. I think there is some less light here. Okay, second. Yes. Okay. So The actual answer beta is speed, not acceleration. When you draw distance time graph, okay, draw the distance time graph. You have, wait a second. Yes, so you have this distance time graph. This is the distance, this is time, okay, and let's say this is the graph. Now you'll say how to calculate the slope, right? You know that, don't you? How to calculate the slope? So slope is what? Y, component of y-axis divided by x-axis. That is what? Distance divided by time. What is distance divided by time? Is it acceleration? Come on, guys. Yes. What is this name? Aditi Ma'am Paglu. What is this name? Oh my God. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Hi, Pritish. How are you? Yes, so B is the correct answer. Speed, beta. Speed. What is the formula of speed? Distance upon time, right? So the slope of this graph also is giving distance upon time. So that is equal to what? That is speed, right? That is speed. Yes. Pranjal. Okay, Pranjal. Yes. Hi, Pranjal. Hello. Why, ma'am? One shot. What are you saying? Hello. Okay, so understood everybody? Why speed is the answer? Because slope is also giving distance upon time. Speed is also equal to distance upon time. So speed is actually the slope given by distance time graph. Yes? Great. Now moving on to the next question on your screens. Fastest finger first. Great. The area under a velocity time graph. Hanji, what? क्या बोलिए? Ma'am, please what? I can't see. Ma'am, you aren't even noticing me. Are? Srinath, I am noticing you. What happened? Uniform. B. बोलिए ma'am. Yes. Every Newton law. Okay. Beta, we are doing the chapter describing motion around us. Okay, just wait a second. After this question, I'll explain. Okay, done? Acceleration vector. Arey bhaiya, what is this name? Aditi Ma'am Paglu. Arey yaar. Great, I love you guys. Okay, acceleration. Du. Displacement. C. Okay. Displacement. The area under velocity time graph gives the displacement. Aditi Ma'am Paglu account is saying acceleration vector. Okay. Okay, let's see. So what we have to do? We have to make a velocity time graph. This is the velocity. This is velocity and this is your time, right? Whatever this graph is, let's say this is for a uniform velocity. Srinath is saying C. Okay, let me write Srinath's name. He says I am ignoring him. Okay, so beta, this will be the area under this whole graph. This will be the area under this whole graph. This is a rectangle. How will we find out the area of this whole graph? This is velocity V. This is what? This is time. So area will be what? Length into breadth. Area will be length into breadth, right? Length is what? It is time. Breadth is what? V. So area is equal to V into T. That is the one thing. Now you tell me what is V into T. If I write velocity, what is the formula of velocity? It is equal to displacement upon time. If I take this time here, multiply it with velocity, this will be V into T and this will be equal to displacement. This will be equal to displacement. So now see, V into T equal to displacement, V into T equals to area. So area is given by what? Area is given by displacement. So C is the correct answer. Very good. Please do explain formulas once, ma'am. Which formulas you want to explain, Srinath? Be very clear and I'll tell you. Okay. Let me find out. Displacement. Yes. The correct answer is displacement. Krishna G is saying displacement. Okay, let's move to the next answer. Which formula you want me to explain, Srinath? This is the formula, right? This is how you make a VT graph. Under the area, this is length into breadth, a rectangle. So V into T. V into C, T is area. And when you write the formula of velocity, which is what? Displacement upon time, right? So velocity into time, cross multiply this will be displacement. So V into T, displacement, V into time, area. Area is given by displacement. Okay? Yes. Okay, let's just quickly do. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes for Newton laws. Okay, so now beta, for Newton laws we have 3 laws, right? First is law of inertia. Law of inertia, and this law says that any of the object, when it is in motion, it wants to stay in motion. When it is an object, it wants to stay at when the object is at rest, it wants to stay at rest. That is the first law of inertia. That means when you are sleeping, you don't want to get up. You just want to keep on sleeping. Okay, and when you are moving something, let me give you an example of a proper bus. Let's say now you are moving. Okay, this is a question, very important question as well. Now you are sitting in a bus starts to move. Now you are at rest. Okay, so your lower body is in contact with the bus, but your upper body is not, right? You are not in touch with the back of the seat, right? So your upper body is not in contact with the bus. So what it does, the lower body moves along with the bus, but your upper body is at rest. And inertia says that it wants to stay at rest. So we move behind. We move behind because it just wants to stay at rest. And when the bus is moving, when the driver applies the brakes, your whole body is moving with the bus. Now driver applies the brake and your body wants to move. Okay, it wants to stay in motion. So it keeps on going. It keeps on going, but you yourself use your muscles and stop your body, unless it will keep on moving. So we get a forward jerk. Okay. Galileo theory, no. Where are you getting this? No. Although the book is changed, so we don't know. But no. Okay. Okay, then beta, what's the second law? Second law is simply F equals to M into A. That means the product of mass and acceleration of an object will give you the force. That means higher the mass. So a truck is coming towards you. Its mass is so much, but its acceleration is only 10. Okay, so it will apply a force on you, right? But with the same acceleration, a bicycle is coming, right? And it has less mass, so it will apply less force on you, right? So that is the whole gist of your second law of Newton. And third is very basic. Action. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. That's why when we go from a boat to a land, we push the boat moves backward, we move forward, right? Done. Momentum beta, this, okay, let's talk about momentum. So acceleration can be written as velocity per unit time. So this is force. See, this derivation is quite important to understand. So M into V, mass into V, momentum divided by time, mass into V, this is called momentum. Momentum is kind of the ability of a body to move. Okay, if it has more mass, more velocity, it will move with more force. If it has less mass, it will have less tendency to move, right? That is momentum. Which one you want me to explain again, Swagat? Because it didn't told it will come and I didn't understand that. Okay, Srinath, let me look into that. Don't worry. Okay, I'll make a video on that. If I'll see Galileo theory, I'll make a video on that separately. Done? Hello, Inspire. For all of you guys, I want to tell you one thing. We are starting a Titans series. Okay, so let me tell you, you tell me how many of you really love science. You are falling in love with science, or you want to take science in your 11th and 12th, PU1, PU2. What do you want? Beta, see, momentum is simply the product of mass into velocity. Okay, now if you want me to go into detail, it's a little bigger topic, but basically it's the ability of a body to move. What do you mean by that? See, a truck is coming towards you, a very heavy truck. So it's 100 kgs and it's coming with a speed of, let's say, 10 meter per second. So its momentum is what? 1000 kg meter per second, right? Similarly, a very small car or just a wheel is coming towards you with the same velocity, 10 meter per second, but its mass is what? Simply 10 kgs, not even 10 kgs, but let's take 10 kgs. So momentum is what? 100 kg meter per second. So what this is trying to say, that the momentum of truck is more than the momentum of this small wheel. Its momentum is less. So if the mass is less, the ability of that body to keep on moving or move, it's very less. Okay? Yes, Inspire. I remember your name. Ayush, was it? Right? Yes. Are Srinath, I am responding. Ma'am, what is the SI unit of average speed and average velocity? It's meter per second. Wherever you see speed, see speed or velocity, it will be meter per second always. Why? Because the formula is distance slash displacement. Distance for speed, displacement for velocity per unit time. Understood, everyone? Good. Yeah, Daksh, that's what I told you here. Yeah, look at this. Second law of motion is what? Second law of motion is F equals to M into A. Okay, that means that A can be written as velocity upon time. Acceleration is what? Velocity upon time. F is this. So F is, okay, let me write it as mass. Acceleration is what? Change in velocity. Change in velocity per unit time. Per unit time. This is what the formula of acceleration is, right? Then beta, this mass into change in velocity, this is what? This is what we studied momentum is. So that will be change in momentum. Change in momentum per unit time. How will you write it mathematically? See, change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time into, we have this mass, right? So can I write change in momentum? That means final momentum minus initial momentum. When I multiply this m inside the bracket, this will be mv minus mu divided by t. Right? Now, so force will be what? It is change in momentum. You write it something like this. Delta P. Delta means change. Change in momentum per unit. Change in time. Time is always changing. So you can write it like that. That means the relation between second law of motion and momentum beta is that the change in momentum per unit time will give you the force exerted by that object. Done? Array, Inspire. Okay, done. So force is what? Change in momentum per unit time. Done. Okay, let's move on to our second MCQ. Which one MCQ? Fourth MCQ, fifth MCQ. On your screen, everybody, I want your answers under 1 minute. A body moving along a circular path with constant speed has what? Constant velocity, no acceleration, changing velocity, hence accelerated motion, zero displacement at all times. Let me know fast. A body is moving in circular motion, right? A. Okay, Manvita is saying A. Manvi is saying A. Who is saying C? Daksh is saying C. Okay, Krishna is also saying C. Okay, Daksh and Krishna is saying C. Okay, Ayush is also saying C. Ayush is also saying C. Me in class 10th. Okay, oh, you are in class 10th. Yes. What are you doing in class 9th? Kartikai. Kartikai is saying C. Great. Yes, yes, yes. Great. Okay, let's see the answer. What is the answer actually on your screens? The answer is C. Very good. Beta, when we are in circular motion, at every single point, our direction is changing. Direction, it is changing, right? So when direction is changing, that means we don't have speed, we have velocity, because speed is scalar, velocity is vector. So if direction is changing, that means it's a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it has velocity. Velocity is changing at every time. If velocity is changing, that means it is an accelerated motion. It is hence an accelerated motion. The direction keeps on changing, but its magnitude remains the same, hence no change in acceleration. Are? Why? No. If direction is changing, that means acceleration is changing, right? Krishna. If direction is changing, acceleration is what? Velocity per unit time. Velocity is what? Displacement per unit time. So displacement, it is changing at every point, right? Okay. So no. There will be change in acceleration. It will be an accelerated motion. In circular motion, the direction changes continuously. So velocity keeps changing even if speed is constant. Velocity is changing. Yeah, okay. So changing velocity means acceleration. So this is uniform circular motion. Okay. When it is Kartikiya. Why? Yes. Oh, come on. You said there is no change in acceleration. Okay, let's move on to the next topic. Okay, next question on your screens, everybody. Answers. I want answers. Oh, this is good. SI unit of acceleration is what? Meter per second square, kilometer per hour, or meter square per second? What are the units of acceleration? Units of accelerations are what? B. Okay. B. Manvi is saying B. Okay. Everybody else? Meter per second square. Okay. Krishna is also saying B. Krishna ji, where is your Radha ji? Huh? Okay. Meter per second square. Aditi, Maam, Paglu is saying B. Again, what should I write for your name? Aditi, Maam, Paglu. It's the username. What can I do, guys? I have to write it, guys. B. Okay. Kartikai is also saying B. Okay, great. I'm writing your name as of now like this. Okay. Ma'am, I also said B. Yes, your name is on the board. Jayanti, Kartikai. Okay, great. Jayanti is also saying C, B. Okay, great. So, okay, all of you guys, I'm pretty impressed. Great. This is a correct answer. Meter per second square is the correct option. Very, very, very good. What's the formula? Acceleration formula is velocity per unit time. Actually, it is change in velocity per unit time. So that is meter per second square. Good. Let's move on to the next question on your screens. A body is moving with uniform velocity. A body is moving with uniform velocity. Its acceleration is what? 0, positive, negative, cannot be determined. Ma'am, I just want to know that is change in momentum and change in velocity are the same things. It's a little deeper topic actually, Daksh. So what happens is, for an object, see my car is moving, okay, car is 10 kg. Okay, and its velocity is 10 meter per second here. After 10 seconds, let's say after 10 seconds, the car is still 10 kg. Okay, and the velocity goes to 20 meter per second. So here the momentum is what? Momentum is 100 kg meter per second, but here the momentum is 20 kg meter per second. And this change in momentum comes due to change in velocity. So at this point it is true. You can say that. Okay, Jayant, okay. So you can say that change in momentum and change in velocity are same things, but only in the case of constant mass, only in the case that mass does not change. Ma'am, the mass of car, will that change? That will remain same. That will remain same, but when we go to outer space, right, when we go into rockets, and you know, when the rocket gets so much speed, its mass will start to increase. Yes, you know, light has the most speed in this whole universe, right? There is nothing greater than the speed of light. Okay, so when we reach the speed of light, now our mass will start to increase. So till this point you can say, but write it down with it, provided that mass remains the same, then it will be a correct option. Okay, okay, great. Okay, lots of you are giving answers A. So if it's a uniform velocity, the acceleration is 0. Okay, let's see the answer. Let's see the answer. Everybody, drum rolls. I want drum rolls in the comment section, and I want you to like this section as well. And I have 3 tasks for you. Send me a drum roll emoji, then only I will show you the answer. Like the session and subscribe the channel. Go fast, and let me know it's done. Send me the drum roll emoji only, then I will show you the answer to this particular question. Jayanti and Infinity, are you in a war of writing A? What you are doing, guys? What are you doing, guys? Come on. Arey Bhagwan. Okay. A. I can see the comment section as A. Okay, let's see the answer. What are the answers? Okay, we have drum rolls. Okay, great. Let's see the answers. Krishna, Manviti. Oh, we have so many drum rolls here. Okay. Answer is 0. Great. Everybody, the answer is correct. Answer is 0. Already subscribed. Great, Infinity. That's good. Good. So, uniform velocity means, beta, neither the speed nor the direction changes. That means you have a graph and they have written uniform velocity. Okay, so it's a velocity time graph, right? So it is a uniform motion. That means velocity is not changing. Uniform motion means same distance in same displacement or path traveled in equal interval of time, right? So that means velocity is not changing. That means 0 acceleration, no acceleration. Yes, ma'am ji. Okay. Now we have so many drum rolls in our chat. Okay, so keep it in your recent emojis and send. You have to send it after every question. Okay, Jayant. Noted. Sorry for that. Noted. Okay, let's move on to the next question, everybody. The next question on your screen, fastest fingers first, and it's here. The equation V equals to U plus AT can be applied to objects moving with any type of motion. Uniform velocity motion, uniform velocity only, uniform acceleration only, circular motion only. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? It's fine, Infinity. What happened? Imagine 13 people sitting in a class. That's a lot. C. Okay, Manvi. Sorry, Manvi. I sometimes do this. I'm so sorry. Manvi is saying C. Okay, everybody is saying C. Manvi is saying B. Manvi, you said C. Oh, we have so many answers. A, B, C. Oh man, you guys are confused. You guys are confused. So, okay, any type of motion is not true. That's definitely not the answer. That's definitely not the answer. Circular motion. Okay, let's see. let's understand why ourselves. Let's understand ourselves. What is the motive here? So v equals to u plus 80. Okay, v equals to u plus 80. Beta, there was one condition for these three equations of motion, and that condition was that acceleration should always be constant. Acceleration should always be constant. Now answer me. Okay, drum rolls are here. Yes, yes. But give me the answer. You guys are so scattered. You guys are all so scattered. What is the any type of motion? Okay, you guys are saying any type of motion. Okay, you told C first. Okay, Krishna. Oh, Krishna also said C first. Okay. Okay, let's see. We have drum rolls. Let's see the final answer. And that beta is uniform acceleration only. Ma'am, can you tell Sonu sir also to do the same like this, please? Okay, Adi Lakshmi. Great. I'll tell sir. Done. C. So, whoever gave the answer C is correct. First of all, whoever gave the answer C is correct. Now, beta, all three equations of motion, v equals to u plus 80, s equals to ut plus half 80 square, v square equals to u square plus 2as are valid only when acceleration is constant. Acceleration is constant. So, C will be your correct answer. Uniform acceleration only. Right? That means acceleration is not changing. If it is 10 meter per second square in the starting, throughout the whole motion, it will be 10 meter per second square. Always, always. Done? Understood? Any doubt? Yes. Next question. Okay. Next question on your screens, everybody. And it is, negative acceleration is also called what? Okay, this is easy. This is easy. Answer me fast. Let's move past this question. This is embarrassing question. Retardation or deceleration, uniform motion, displacement, relative velocity. Why the answer is what? Why the answer is what, Kartikai? Ma'am, I also did say yes, Aditi ma'am, Pagluji, you also said C. A, yes, now you all will answer A. Yes, great. I don't think we need drum rolls here. Okay, Krishna was first again. Infinity, YouTube, Manvita, Adi Lakshmi. Great. Okay, so the answer is A, of course. Whenever your velocity starts to decrease, whenever you brake, whenever you do that, whenever your vehicle do that, that means you are decreasing your velocity, and when velocity is decreasing, that is called retardation or deceleration. Done? Okay, let's move to the next question, beta. Next question on your screens, everybody. Question number 10. Hoof, the numerical ratio of displacement to distance for a moving object is, oh, this is a good question. The numerical ratio of displacement to distance of a moving object is what, beta? It is what? Greater than 1, equal to or less than 1, equal to or greater than 1, exactly 1. Kartikai is saying A, Krishna is saying B. Krishna is saying B. Kartikai is saying A. Okay, Sejal is saying B. Who else is saying P? B. Nisha is also saying B. Welcome to the live session, Nisha. Okay. Again, first. Okay. Great. Ma'am B. Okay. Ma'am is not B. Answer is B. Okay, let's see. Drum rolls. Come on, everybody. Drum rolls and like the session. Drum rolls and like the session. Fast. Subscribe to the channel. Fast. Drum rolls, drum rolls. I'll see all my screen should be filled with drum rolls. Then only I'll give the answer. Come on, fast. B, C. We have an answer C. Equal to or greater than 1. Okay. Hi, Vinod. Kartikai ma'am, I think, isn't that Kartikai Singh? Kartikeya. Oh, okay. Sorry. Kartikeya. 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 Okay. Okay, we have. Ma'am, पहले वाले question का answer था. Okay, okay. Kartikeya. Okay. You tell me if I'm pronouncing your name right now or firstly. Okay. We have so many drum rolls, and the audience has voted B as the answer. B as the final answer. Right? Audience poll. So, what's the answer? It is B exactly. Everybody is correct. Clapping for you guys. Yay! Great. So B is the answer, and displacement is the shortest path. Do you all guys understand? You guys understand, right? Sometimes I think the question is hard. You might not get it, but you guys are so smart. So good. So good. So, beta, these 2 points are here. The shortest distance is this. Distance can be anything. Distance can be anything. And the shortest distance can also be equal to displacement. Right? So, displacement, or let's write distance will always be either greater than or equal to the distance or displacement. So, distance will always be equal to or greater than displacement. Good morning, ma'am. It's my first class. Good morning, Bhumi. You just woke up now, huh? It's 5:44. Good morning. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning. It's my first class. Welcome to the class, Bhumi. Subscribe the channel, like the session, and give the answer to the next question. Now, next question answer Bhumi will give. Bhumi, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay. Arinjay. Okay. Bro, it's evening, bro. It's evening, bro. Okay. It's Kartike. Oh, it's Kartike, right? Now I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for that. No. On this channel, it's my first class. Okay, Bhumi. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the class. Subscribe the channel. Okay. Before this, everybody, I have some very good news for you. Actually, 2 good news for you. First, we have amazing result, and I do want to show you that there are so many people out there who are, let's say, who are out there with us, and they are struggling. People gave NEET, they gave re-NEET, so it just takes 10 seconds of our time and just appreciate them, how well they have performed, because 800 plus Vedantu students cleared NEET UG 2026, including AIR 10, AIR 426, 563, 114, 740, 839, and many more, beta, many more. Just look at this, 2200 plus people JEE Advanced, they qualified for JEE Advanced. 2200 plus Vedantu students qualified JEE Advanced, and a lot of them got outstanding ranks in CBSE as well, class 10th, class 12th. So just takes one moment, but beta, you are going to be on this wall after 2 years, after 4 years, right? So if you will not appreciate them, nobody else will, right? You are exactly in their shoes. So just take 2 minutes and appreciate them. Ridesh Bendale, he has International Physics Olympiad, AIR 18 in JEE Advanced 2026, and the achievements I can't even read. So he's an inspiration for me as well. So outstanding result, and just an appreciation for just 2 minutes for all these amazing students. Right? And beta, following that, I have another interesting news for you, and that is one very important thing. So Congratulations. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. I really appreciate you guys. Congratulations them actually, because you know what it takes, right, to be in their position. Now, for all of you people, we at Diksha Vedantu has come up with a very important thing. Now, beta, there is a course. There is a link in the description. Go click that link and you will be directed to this website. This website is what? CBSE Class 9th course. It's a prime course. You will be getting what? Live classes by teachers. Stay consistent weekly assignments. 40 plus part test plus full length test. And unlimited access to post-class replays. And you might ask, ma'am, how much is it? Beta, it is literally zero. It is free for you guys. After we've gotten this amazing result, we wanted to do something very special for you, and this whole course with you will be free. Of course, you can watch videos on YouTube, but you will be getting weekly assignments. You will track your whole result. You can ask live doubts. With the help of AI, you can ask live doubts in the class as well, and you will get 40 plus part test and full length tests. Okay, so go hit that link, join this session, and this is for class 10th as well. So whoever is in class 10, go watch that as well. Subjects will be SST, science, math, English will be there as well. Okay, so do not worry. Great, go down there, ma'am, I'm joining it. Yes, 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 great. Go and click that link and join this course. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it gives you a lot of things. Okay, okay, moving back to our today's question, and that is what? That's a steal. Actually, that's a steal. Okay, now yes, enjoy, ask the doubt. I did this yesterday. Great Manvita, thank you, and it's best for you as well. Okay, everybody, like this session, come on. It's free, Bhumi. It's literally free. Zero. I will try. Okay, Kartike. Hello, Devansh. How are you? Yes, Bhumi, it's free. You will be getting lots of tests, lots of assignments as well. See, Devansh is saying, see, okay, I didn't even read the question. You guys are so fast. A distance time graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis, shows that the body is at rest. Great. Okay, so all of you are saying, see. Good. Thank you, Bhumi, to you as well. Okay, everybody is saying all. Everybody is saying C. Should we lock the answer C? Drum rolls. And the answer on your screen. Ta-da! The answer is at rest. Very good. Every one of you, great. Now, obviously, if we draw the graph, this will be the graph. This is the displacement or distance, and this is the time. So, of course, the distance is not increasing or decreasing, and hence, as the time passes, it is at rest. Arey, Kartike, sorry, beta. Yes, everybody is here. Kartike, Arinjoy, Bhumi, Manvita. Okay. Yes. All the students are here, I know, and all of you are so dear to me. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next question on your screen. A body moves in a circular path of radius r. Read it very carefully, okay? Read it very carefully. A body moves in a circular path of radius r. The speed of the body, if it completes one round in time t. Time is t. It is completing one round, right? So the distance it covered is what? It is one circle, right? It is one circle. The speed, you have to tell the speed of the body if it completes one round in time t is what? B, okay, 2 pi r by t. Devansh is saying B. Devansh, Manvi also said B, and Bhumi also is saying B. All of you are saying, are you all sitting together in one room or what? Hey. Bhumi, Arinjoy is also saying B. And who else is saying B? Okay, Kartike is also saying B. Kartike. I've changed the spelling of your name. Let me know if it's correct or not. Okay. All of we have all the answers. No, your spelling of the name is not correct. Kartike now is correct. Okay, great. So all of you have given the answers, and let's see drum rolls. Come on, let's get drum rolls. B is correct. Bhumi is saying. Okay, all of you said B. Waiting for drum rolls. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. B. The answer is B. Okay, let's see the answer. Let's see the final answer on your screens. Everybody is. Dun, dun, dun. It is B. Great. Very good. V equals to 2 pi r divided by t. Because this is a full circle, the circumference is what? 2 pi r, because the radius is what? R, and the speed is distance upon time. If I asked velocity, then what, beta? Distance upon time. After one circle, what will be the velocity of the particle? After one circle, what will be the velocity of this object? Velocity of this object. Let me know. What will be the velocity? My answer is right. Yes, Kartikeya, your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. Now, I asked you one question. If instead of speed, I ask you velocity, then what will be the answer? What is the velocity of the body if it completes one round in time t? Displacement, yes. But what will be the final answer? It is not in the options, but you have to tell me. What's the final answer if I ask you velocity of the object? Come on. Displacement. I am displacement. Ma'am, what is displacement? Displacement is better the shortest path traveled. There are 2 points. Okay, I can travel like this, I can travel like this, I can travel like this. All of this will be distance. But the shortest distance between these 2 points, that will be the displacement. The shortest path between these 2 lines will be the displacement. 0. Very good. Original. Mr. Ayu. Kavitat. Kartike. 0. It will be 0, beta. 0 will be the answer. Because it started from here. After the full circle, it will come back here. So displacement will be what? It is back on the same point it started from. So displacement is what? Displacement is 0. And velocity is what? Displacement per unit time. So velocity is also 0. Thank you, ma'am, for solving my doubt. Of course, Bhumi, anytime. You can ask any doubts. 0. Yes, very good. Great. Kartike, Anenjoy, Bhumi, Manvi. Cheating करता है. अरे कौन cheating करता है? No, it's not. It's not true. It's 0. Okay. Next question on your screens. Everybody is here. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Okay. That's a bad question, but you got to answer. Distance, speed, displacement, time. Which one is a vector quantity? Although I have a rather funny opinion on this question, I will tell you, but you tell me the answer first. Yes, Bhumi, exactly, because final and initial position is same. Correct. Very good. Okay, Aranjoy is saying C. Okay, what else? C. I enjoy. Bhumi Manvi is saying B. Bhumi Manvi is saying B, right? C. Devansh is saying C. Okay. Devansh is saying C. Kavi, I'll call you Kavi. Okay, so Kavi is saying A. Okay. Someone said D also. Say D also. Everything is the answer. A, B, C, D. Huh? Oh, now you guys are changing your answer. That's no. Now you can't change your answer. I have written this. You can't change the answer. Srinath is saying C. No answer changing allowed. No answer changing allowed. Okay. Now I have one very important question for you. Does time has direction? Does time has direction? I told you. Actually, you guys are correct. This option is correct. The correct option is C, displacement. But I have a funny question for you. The question is, of course, displacement is a vector quantity because it has direction, distance and speed are scalar quantities. Time also. Now, talking about time, beta, you tell me, does time has direction? No. Okay, Devansh is saying no. C is the answer because displacement. Yes. Correct, Bhumi. Nope. But time always moves forward. Time never moves backward. Time always moves forward. It never moves backward. So can't you say its direction is fixed, but it does have direction. It's only moving forward. If it does not have any direction, then anything, anywhere it moves, it's fine, right? 12 to 2, 2 to 12. Something twisted this is, I know. Physically, if you go through it through the physics, it won't make much sense to you maybe. But the direction of time is fixed, right? It is moving forward. It never goes anywhere else. It is moving forward. So the direction, it has a direction that is forward. Isn't it? Think about it. Maybe dwell on it. Okay. Sentence is not sentencing. I know. That's why I said it's a weird, tricky name. But it always moves forward. What is the direction of time? Can you say time has no direction? No. Time has direction. It always moves forward. Hi, ma'am. You are my role model. Can you please shout out my name? Oh, bhai, Kanksha Gupta. That's a funny way to make me shout out your name. Yes, next question. Okay, 2 questions of the day left for the day on your screen. First question, an object dropped freely from a height is an example of what? Uniform velocity, non-uniform acceleration, uniformly accelerated motion, zero acceleration. In the live class, all students are topper. Oh, that is true. I agree with Karthike. That is true. Exactly. Fix the direction of time. Yes, Devansh. That is what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to convey a very serious topic to you guys. You don't understand the depth of this. Sonali is saying A. Arinjoy is saying C. Okay, Sonali, Arinjoy. Sonali, Arinjoy. Srinath is saying A. Srinath is saying A. Devansh is saying C. Okay, lots of people are here. Let me write the name. Manvi is also saying C. Manvi said C. Kavi said C. Okay, so you guys are saying that it's a uniformly accelerated motion. Okay. Drum rolls. Everybody, drum rolls. Drum rolls. Waiting for drum rolls. Answer on your screen. Here is it. Uniformly accelerated motion. Absolutely correct. Because beta, when you throw a body from a higher point to the lower point, it moves under acceleration due to gravity, and acceleration due to gravity has a fixed value of 9.8 meter per second square or 10 meter per second square, whatever you take. So it is a uniformly accelerated motion. Very good. So a freely falling body gains equal velocity in equal interval of time due to constant gravitational acceleration. That's the definition of uniform acceleration. Ma'am, I also saying C. I didn't write your name. Kartike. Oh, sorry. What option did you tell? Kartike? Yes. In the live class, all students are not topper, but all are cheating the answer from Are bhaiya? It's fine. No worries. My answer is correct again. Okay, so you gave the answer C. Okay, Kartike also has the correct answer. Okay, everybody, the last question of the day on your screen, and everybody will be giving the answer and will have the final winner. A car is moving at 108 km per hour. Oh, its speed in meter per second is what? Let's see who can do the calculation fast. Okay, Bhumi doesn't know. It's fine. Yes, lyrics with Monu. Hello. No, ma'am, I will give my answer in own. Okay. हाँ जी, हाँ, lyrics सुनाओ. Oh, really? It's fine, Bhumi. It doesn't matter here. Oh, you have science paper tomorrow. Are you prepared for that? You want a quick that each one of my one shot and each one of my live sessions have a PDF under the description. You just go and download that and you will be sorted for the exam. Okay, B is the answer. 30 meter per second. Okay, B is the answer. Everybody is saying B. Okay, ma'am, I also given the C. Okay, Bhumi, you gave C. B? Now he's saying B. Okay, everybody is saying B. Let's agree on that. B. Arre, bhaiya, arre, B. You are not prepared. I told you, every lecture of mine, the one shot, the live sessions, we did numericals questions. They have this PDF in the description. Just go download that and study from that. Small PDFs, not much long. Just do those questions at least. You will be sorted. Okay, drum rolls. Final drum rolls of the day. Everybody has to give the drum rolls. Everybody has to like this session, and then only I'll tell you the answer. Come on, fast. Last question, guys. This question deserves the drum roll anyways. It's a good question. You require a little bit of, what do you say? Preparation. I'm telling you, go get those PDFs, download it, and you will be sorted for the day, for your paper. Everything is there. Biology, chemistry, physics, 3 of these are there. Just go get those PDFs. Momos. Alright, Karthik? Okay, I'll go have momos if you insist today. Okay, great. The answer on your screen, everybody, is B. In fact, how did you do it? It is 108 kilometers per hour. So you can do it. You can multiply this by 1000 and divide this by 60 into 60, or you can be a smart person. You can simply divide this by 5 into 18 and you will get the answer as what? This will be 6. So 6 into 5 is 30 meter per second is your answer. Great. Okay, anybody has any doubt? Ma'am, can't find it. What you can't find, Srinath? No, not under this description. Listen, under this description, the PDF will be uploaded in few minutes. Okay, after this session ends, after some time, the PDF will be uploaded. I'm telling that all the lives that are already on the channel, right? All the lives, all the one shots, they have PDF in the description. Okay, so go get those. After this, this PDF will be uploaded as well. And I have so many more questions for you guys. In this is a list of all the short questions, numericals as well. So go check this PDF out and complete all these questions. You'll be sorted. Okay. Arey, lyrics, I told you, go get those PDFs. That's the trick. Okay. Using brains, ma'am. What kind of humor that is? Because beta, displacement is the shortest length. Okay, displacement is the shortest length. Distance can be anything. You want to go from here to here. What's the shortest distance? What is the shortest path between them? Is this. Okay, this is the shortest path. Now, this can be the distance, this can be the distance, this can be the distance. All of these are greater than this shortest path, right? So that's why displacement cannot be greater than distance, because shortest path is the displacement. If it is the shortest path, how it can be greater than the other paths, right? Yes, is that only, ma'am? Yes, yes, one more doubt. Ask the doubts, beta. Is that only what? There are so many questions in this PDF. Okay, so I'll be giving you this PDF. Go through this PDF. Ask me any doubt if you have any. Okay. Yes, I said correct answer. Great, great, good. Very good, very good. Proud of you, everyone. Bhumi, Manvita, Devansh, Kartike, Srinath. I enjoy. Okay, that's it for this video, beta. Yash, Yashid, what should I call you? I love you, beta. Okay, let us end this live session today, and I will meet you in the next live. And till then, be safe. Join that course. It's free of cost, and get the PDF from the description. That's it. Love you. Tata. Bye bye.